Hi guys, Bobby D here. So welcome to my review of Puma products by Dward Islam, who some of you may have heard of. He's definitely an up and coming marketer and he's doing really well at the moment. And the reason I like his products is because they are sort of back to basics. They're teaching you things you need to know. It's not push button software. It's not press this button and $4 trillion. It's stuff you need to know. And that is what I like about it. And it's actually what I'm doing in my own products at the moment. Back to basics. This is what you guys need to learn who are looking to get into affiliate marketing, or even if you're experienced, there's always stuff to learn. Okay. So before I start, first of all, you know that I don't review loads of products. Okay. I only review what I like, and I like this. Okay. I like it a lot. So let's jump over to the sales page. Stand by, let's make this small. There we go. So it says here, want to learn how Dward makes 18K per month launching his own products. Now, this is something that I'm passionate about. We can all affiliate people's products, and some people make a lot of money, some people don't. You know, for every promotion I do, you know, I make between $100 and sort of $400, which is good money, but that's not where the money is. The money is in launching your own product, and I'll show you why in a minute. I've probably launched about 8 products so far. This year, I've done 2, and I'm already virtually finished my 3rd one, which is about YouTube, because that is how you build your list and how you make the most money, okay, is launching your own products. So this is the title. Want to learn how to earn 18K per month. You're not going to earn 18K every time, but you are definitely going to earn some money. Okay. Now, Dward is launching regularly. He actually launches every couple of months, which some may say that's a bit too much, but it's down to you. Okay. And what I like about this course is he shows you exactly how to do it. So here's some of his figures. 20,000, 4,000, you know, that's not bad. I won't mind earning that in a month. Although that is your gross, that's not net, that is your gross sales. Make that clear. What is Puma products? How to create your first product from start to finish. How to list it on Warrior Plus. This is actually really important. This is where a lot of people get this wrong. Even experienced marketers get this bit wrong. How to promote it, how to market it, how to run contests, and how to get free traffic. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It's giving you a load of bonuses as well, which are on there. And it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. It's quite a short sales page, but again, I like that. They don't need to be miles long. Okay. So this is the members area of Puma products, where you get a welcome message, you get an overview, you get the main training. There's tons of it. I mean, look how many videos are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, 25 videos, insane. Resources, conclusion, all your bonuses, and the upgrades, and unadvertised bonuses. They've not been updated yet. But that is absolutely mental amount of work there, guys, that Dward's putting in. If you're looking at launching, this is brilliant. Now, I told you that the money is in launching, okay? Now, as you know, I've launched my own products, and which are here. You know, Fiverrlicious, I've sold 2,364 of them. Local video jackpot, $20 days. These are all my products that I've listed, and I've done $68,104.40 part-time. You know I do this part-time, guys. I've got 6 kids. I work full-time. I work 70 hours plus a week. At the moment, we're working even more. It's crazy because of the coronavirus. And I'm making that on the side. That enables me to have a much better life, okay? I've paid for 2 holidays this year out of my affiliate marketing money, although no doubt they're both going to be cancelled now, which is annoying. You know, but 2 expensive holidays away I've paid for. I've bought a car. I've bought a lot of things with affiliate marketing money. For me, it's like, you know, it's money that it's just on the side. I'm not touching my own money. And you can do it too, guys. All you've got to do is take action, okay? It is not that difficult, okay? once you know what you're doing. Now, I haven't put my full bonus package together yet, but what I am going to be offering you is a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to offer you guaranteed approval to any of my products, which I don't do for anyone. If you're in the first 25 buyers, I'm going to offer you my personal support. If you're in the first 25 buyers, you're going to have personal access to me via my mobile phone. And I know that sounds crazy, and it's the first time I've done it, but if you've got a question about affiliate marketing, you can literally ring a number, leave me a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, certainly within a couple of hours, all right? And I'll give you an answer to what you want. I'd also give you my Skype as well, so you can speak to me on Skype. Now, normally I charge people $249 an hour to talk to me, and I'm not saying I'm going to talk to you for an hour, but I will certainly answer any questions you've got, and you're going to get my number, my phone number, and you can ring me up and you can leave me a message. It doesn't get much better than that. And I'm also going to give you a load more bonuses, but that is my 2 special bonuses that I'm offering for the 25 people only when this goes live, okay? So super good, guys. It goes live at the dates on my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. If you're looking at being serious about making money, I think you need to get this. And I honestly mean it. It's only $8. It's cheap as anything. Again, it should be much more than this. I'd be doing this probably for $29, but Dward's doing it for $8. It's a steal. There's not really much more to say. It's 9.5 out of 10 for me. It's brilliant. You just got to crack on and take action. That's what I tell you to do. Take action and you will make money with this method. So that's it, guys. Don't forget my bonuses. They're going to go super quick, and I'm going to add a few more to it. I'm Bobby D. Thank you again. Any questions, hit me up.